Alright guys, this is my bike check. A couple people on WeBMX on YouTube, the Facebook page wanted to see this. So here it is. I'll start front to back. And by the way, I got my Canon for Christmas, but this is my first video I'll be uploading to the channel. It's a Canon T2i. So, I got Eastern 1 bars and 8.25. Then, let's see, that's the Eastern Strangler Topload maybe. I got Shadow Conspiracy bolts on there. Frame, this is the premium Guttershark frame. It's 20.8, I want to say. Bear with me too, because I'm using manual focus, so every time I zoom in on a part, I gotta focus. Tires are KHE folding tires. They're the street ones, no, the park ones, I think. And I just got some new wheels. They are fit rims, not fit, I meant to say fly. They're fly rims. In like this limited edition copper color, which is pretty cool. Then my hub is a Odyssey Vandero V2. Hold on, my bike's about to fall. Alright, Odyssey Vandero V2, you can see. Then got shadow spokes. Some of them are shadow spokes. Forks are fit Shiv 1s, not 2s like the new ones that they have in Dan's Comp. They're pretty old. The frame, premium Guttershark, I said that already. Forks are Eastern Nomads. My pedals are Odyssey Twisted PCs in red, and then I painted them black a little bit. They're like Twisted PCs now, I guess you can say. Bottom bracket, Eastern, nothing spectacular. Yeah, Guttershark. Seat is Shadow Penumbra. Seat post is Eastern. Oh, I forgot my headset. My headset's a Shadow Corvus. My sprocket. See if you can see that. My sprocket is the, what's it called? Eastern Medusa Forge Lite V2. And my chain is just a KMC, I don't know what it's called, but who cares, it's a chain, nothing spectacular, just taking my chain off the ends. Back wheel is the same, rim and tire is the same, spokes are the same, except got a Eastern Birectional hub in there. I guess it's fairly decent. And then who cares, whatever. McNeil valve caps. And if I forgot any parts, just tell me. And that was my bike check. It weighs 20.5, I believe. And excuse me if I'm sniffling, I'm sick. Oh, wrong part. Cult D-Heart grips. Pretty good actually. And then shadow bar runs. Alright, thank you, bye.